It's your mama, D&D on my phone when she call me. Blow it on, get it back by the morning.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Chill, and I'm back with another one. And in today's video, we got an unboxing / try-on haul from the Better brand, also known as the GBT brand or the Get Better Today brand, man. Before we get into this video, man, make sure to leave a like on this video, comment some more videos y'all want to see, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Ring the notification bell so you do not miss when I post, because not in my last video, but the video before last, I did let y'all know that I did have a big clothing haul coming up soon, and this is the one I was talking about. So if y'all don't want to miss updates like that, y'all want to make sure y'all ring that notification bell so y'all know when I post. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well, which will be in one of the corners of the screen, as well as in the link tree in the description below, like always. With saying that, man, let's get into the video. Alright, y'all, so like I said, we are going to be doing a unboxing / try-on haul from the Better brand. If y'all don't know what the Better brand is, I will pop up their Instagram right there. And what the Better brand is, this is a clothing brand that sells gym clothes. They focus on selling gym clothes, but they also help you look fresh in and outside of the gym. Their gym clothes go from pump covers to tank tops to shorts, things of that nature, but they style them up to make them as clothes that you can wear outside of the gym. You could throw some jeans on some of their pump covers, you know what I'm saying, and still look fresh. So I really mess with their brand. Their goal, they used to be called the Get Better Today brand, aka the GBT brand, but they changed it to the Better brand. And their whole goal / morals is try to be better at everything you do every day in life, whether it's the gym, whether it's school, whether just in life, be better than you were yesterday. So I really mess with them. They're my top 3 favorite gym brands right now, and probably of all time. I really love their brand. They have some fire stuff. So yeah, that's their Instagram. And with saying that, man, they did just do a release called the 90's Nostalgia Pack. And basically they have a bunch of patterns and pieces that have designs from things from the 90's, which you guys will see in the next few seconds and minutes. As well as the early 2000s. You know, it says the 90's, but I was born in 2001, and some of the stuff I remember from when I was a kid. So, you know, I had to cop. So with saying that, I'm gonna get into all the shipping, all that types of stuff. And then we'll do the unboxing, and the try-on will be at the end. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you can see how it looks on me. So yeah, starting off, I'm gonna pop up with the few pieces I did purchase right here. And the reason I'm putting them on the screen before you actually see them is so y'all can know the prices of everything, because I do not remember exactly how much everything costs. So y'all can see them right here before we actually get into the unboxing. So while this is up here, I'll start with shipping, man. Shipping did take a minute. Today is like the 15th or 16th of September. And this definitely dropped on like September like 1st or something, or like September like 4th or something like that, you know what I'm saying? So it's been a good 10 to 11 days since it's got here. But the reason behind that is because I know this was a really big job and people was ordering like a bunch of stuff. So I know it took a long time to actually package everything and, like, you know, ship it out. I ordered like 4 to 5 things, and I know some people that got reposted on their page ordered up to like 10 to 15 items. So I know it took a while to get this out. So shipping, I'm gonna give shipping an 8.5 out of 10. And y'all might think that I would have given them a lower rating, but the reason I didn't is because I understood this was one of their biggest drops. I think the biggest drop of all time. And with that being said, they did ship this out this Tuesday. Today is Friday, and it came this morning, so it took 3 days, bro. And I didn't even pay for 3 days shipping. I paid for the regular domestic shipping, which is 1 to 5 business days. So realistically, if the drop wasn't so hype, this stuff would have got shipped out instantly, and I would have got it in 3 days. So it would have been a 10 out of 10, but just because of an extra few days, because of it being a hype drop, I had to drop some points, but it's understandable. So they still get an 8.5 on shipping. Pricing, like I said, y'all are seeing all the prices right here. I know it ranges between 30 to like 50 bucks for everything. Really good price in my opinion. Y'all already know how I feel about shorts and graphic tees. No matter where you look, Gymshark, Dark Sport, any gym brand, you know, you look at, all their stuff is gonna be upscaled like that. But for the designs they have on these pieces, you can't beat it. So yeah, pricing, I give pricing a 10 out of 10 realistically. They have fire pricing, fire shipping. And yeah, that's basically the whole breakdown of everything. So I'm gonna take that off the screen. And yeah, that's the whole breakdown. So we're gonna get into the unboxing portion of this. Before we get into it, I am 5'6" and 175 pounds. Muscular build, as y'all can probably see. So y'all should know that. So when I do the try on at the end, don't be commenting how tall are you, how much you weigh. Watch the whole video and stop skipping stuff, you know what I'm saying? So with saying that, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, so it did come in this huge brown like sack type bag. I wish I would've got the special Better box packaging, but I think that's only for if you order the hoodies. and like a bunch of other items because the hoodies are like the biggest thing that they had. So I didn't order a hoodie, so they gave me this big heavy sack, but I assume they were all individually packaged inside. I see some of the stuff in here wasn't individually packaged for some reason. I think it was only with one item, but that's all right. But yeah, we're gonna get into the items first. So the first item we have here is, oh man, the quality of these are crazy already. We have the mesh 5-inch seam training shorts right here. As you can see, these are like more like the back in the 1990s varsity like gym shorts you would wear. They're all in the white colorway. As you can see, it has their little aglets on here, has the better tag. In the bottom, it does say better quality goods with that little throwback like track logo. You used to see this back in the day at like the New Balance store, stuff like that. And these are specifically training shorts. That's the name of the shorts, as y'all probably seen in the beginning. They're called training shorts because these are on the shorter side. Like I did say, these are a size large. And by the way, I got a size large in everything in here, all the shorts and even the shirt. So yeah, these are, I sized up on these because they said these fit a little small. Like I said, they're training shorts. You don't wear these out. These wouldn't be shorts you wear to the mall or something. These are specifically for like bodybuilding, you know, powerlifting, football, basketball, things where, you know, nowadays kids like the shorts to be high up so you can have room to move. That's what these are. These are really, really tough. In the white colorway, I have no white shorts, so I had to cop these with the red on them. And I got a piece in here to match with these. So yeah, this was the first piece. Moving on to the second piece, man, we do got it wrapped in this little better packaging. I really messed with it, it's tough. And what's crazy is I didn't even mean to. I just dug in the bag and picked it out, but I picked out the shirt that matches with these, as well as another pair of shorts that I have in this bag. Let me pull these out so you guys can see them if I can get it open. We have the better quality, I think those are better quality goods Olympic tee in the oversized fit. I got this in a large, as you can see, better quality goods. This quality is great. It's a really, really soft material. The back has the better quality goods on it as well, with the little Olympic rings from back in the day. I think they're all gold Olympic ring now for the Olympics, but really, really tough. Like I said, these are oversized fit. These are pump covers, so I had to get me a large. It looks like it's gonna fit perfectly, so I'm really glad I sized up rather than getting a medium, because sometimes on websites it would say the shirt is an oversized fit already, so you can get your regular size, and then you get it and it ends up fitting a little too tight. So I had to go size up, so I got a large. And yeah, really, really tough, really, really good quality. I thought that was a stain on it, I was about to say, just lint. But yeah, really, really fire. I love the GBT brand, you know what I'm saying? I can't wait to post some videos on my Instagram with this, you know what I'm saying? On my fitness Instagram. Make sure y'all go check that out. That's in the link tree in the description. Moving on to the next piece, we're moving up to the shorts. We already did a pair of shorts. I'm saying moving up to the shorts, but I know the rest of the stuff in here is shorts, so that's why I said that. We got the nylon shorts. It's crazy because these are the other shorts that match the shirt. I pulled out all the white and red stuff without even trying. But we got the Better brand nylon shorts in a size large, as you can see. It reminds me of the Chiefs colorway, not looking at it, but got the it's like this nylon, as you can hear, like windbreaker type material. Open it up, it's just like that. Really stretchy elastic waistband, and then you have the strings right here. And then the back has some sort of zipping back pocket. Really, really tough. These are, I think, 6 inseam, so not 6-inch inseam. I said 6 inseam, 6-inch inseam, not 5. So these are still a little bit above the knee, but not too high. These you can wear to the gym. You can wear out in public. I got these specifically to match with that shirt. Like, this was gonna be not just a fit. And what's cool about these is that the inside material is like this, and you can wear these as swimming trunks as well. So these are a very versatile pair of shorts. Had to copy these. These are really, really tough. But I'm gonna throw these out the way. These are fire, but I'm ready to get to my last two, the best pairs. Now we got the pair I'm pretty sure everybody in the comments is gonna run to their page to get these because they're still in stock. We got the all black pixie cup shorts. Oh my God, these are tough, bro. These are 5-inch seam Dixie cut mesh shorts, man. These are the shorts that you can wear to the gym or out in public. These are the hardest shorts, man, I've seen. Like, bro, these are insane. I got these from, I got the design. These are too crazy. I'm losing my train of thought. The design is from the pixie cups from back in the day. Y'all remember going to the dentist's office or going to just any sort of like the doctor's office. They used to have the big gallon jugs with the little water cups that you can fill it up. yeah, this is where the design came from. I had to get the black. Man, these with the aqua 8s would go dumb. I wish I had them, but I don't have them anymore. But yeah, these are really, 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 really tough. Probably my favorite, yeah, 100% my favorite pair of shorts in the whole haul. But yeah, but saying that, we got the black version, but y'all remember the Dixie cups were what color? They were white. So yeah, take a guess what the other shorts are gonna look like. Y'all are right. You got the white pair of Dixie cup shorts, man. These right here are super, super tough. As you can see, you got the better quality goods, the better logo in yellow down here, and they got the all white pair, man. I cannot wait to rock these in the gym. I am injured right now, but I cannot wait. Once I get back in the gym, fits are gonna go crazy. Make sure y'all follow me on my fitness Instagram and fitness TikTok, which will be in the link tree in the description, because y'all do not want to miss these fits I'm about to put on. But yeah, got these two, really, really tough. Yeah, that's all the pieces I got today. Y'all already seen the prices in the beginning. I already told you how tall, how much I weigh, all that types of stuff. So yeah, with saying that, now let's get to the best part of the video, the try on haul. Hope y'all enjoy it. Let's go. All right, y'all, so that was the try on portion of this video, man. And overall, my overall rating of the actual pieces itself, I'm not talking about shipping, I'm not talking about shipping prices, whatever. I'm talking about the actual pieces, their feeling, how they look, how they fit. 10 out of 10. And I'm not just saying that because I love the Better brand, bro. I'm talking about this brand, when it comes to making gym clothes, bro, look fresh, #1 on the chart, bro. Quality, fire. The fit, this is how an oversized tee is supposed to fit. The sizing with it, like, I got a large. A lot of brands, I'll get a large. I've had some brands that sent me some stuff. I'm not gonna throw no names out there, but they send me a large and that thing fits me like a small. And then I've had brands that I get a medium that's huge, and I'm like, bro, I don't understand. This is how an oversized large is supposed to fit. It fits great. It's right here. Stops right on the crease of your arm like an oversized tee is supposed to fit, bro. The shorts, the black and white Dixie cup shorts, the mesh is super breathable, super loose. Waistband is perfect to where if you want to roll them up a little more, it's not bunched up around your waist. It flips perfectly. These nylon shorts, I still got them on right now. Like, perfect fit. You would think they feel like swimming trunks, but nah, these, you can wear these to the mall, walk around and feel comfortable, get a nice breeze, but you can also throw them on if you want to go to the beach. Like, the training shorts fit perfectly. I got my perfect size. I knew they were gonna be a little tighter for like leg days. That's what I got them for specifically. Just overall, everything was great, bro. Like, the day, I'm trying to speak into existence, the day the Better brand sponsors your boy, because like I said, I do this fitness stuff on here, but mostly on my TikTok too. And I'm trying to compete this summer in bodybuilding, bro. If they ever sponsor me, man, that's gonna be the best day of my life. But I would never ask for that because I'm not trying to ask for it. I don't wanna be that guy. I want them to look at me and think I'm a good fit for their brand. But overall, great clothing haul, great try-on haul, man. Best drop they did. I got more pieces from them. If you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. But this is the best drop they've ever did, in my opinion. With saying that, man, like I said, their link to their brand will be in the description below as well. So if you want to go check them out, they do still have a few pieces left, including black shorts. Those are the best things in the whole drop. Like, no shade to nothing else. Them black shorts are better than everything in the drop. Argue with a brick wall. But yeah, go check them out. Like this video up, comment some more videos you want to see. Most importantly, subscribe, ring the notification bell, because I will be having some more clothing hauls coming up in the next month or so. And yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok and all that types of stuff. And I will catch you on the next one.